Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to add income on GoodBudget application. Adding income in GoodBudget is a straightforward process. So the first thing to do is to tap open GoodBudget application from your app drawer. Also make sure to log into your account if prompted. Now tap on the transactions icon at the bottom of the screen from the main homepage. Tap on the pencil icon from the transaction page, which should be located at the top right corner. Tap on type and then tap on add income. Once you've done so, enter the amount of the exact income that you received in the amount text field. Where it says payer, you can enter the name of the payer, or you can also mention where the income came from. Now, specify the date you received the income from the date option. Select the date from the calendar and tap on done. If your income occurs regularly, you can check the schedule option. Set the frequency from weekly, monthly, or select any other option from the display to schedule. After you are done, you can select the way you will be reminded by tapping on this last option and select the frequency. And after you are done selecting the frequency, tap on save at the top right. Now, in the next step, you can choose unallocated or assigned to envelopes option. By default, your income will be added to unallocated money. If you want it to go to your envelopes, you can tap on envelopes, or you can immediately assign the income to specific envelopes by clicking fill envelopes according to your choice. Once you are done, tap on save at the top right corner and you will be able to add income on GoodBudget. Make sure to double check the details and ensure your income is categorized correctly, and then you will be able to complete the process. So that is how you can easily add income on GoodBudget. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.